We are Searoutes, and we help shippers and freight forwarders meet their CO2 targets.
Das französische Unternehmen Searoutes wurde 2019 von Pierre Garot und Carsten Bullemer gegründet. Searoutes beschäftigt aktuell 6 Mitarbeiterinnen und Mitarbeiter und sorgt dafür, dass Containerladungen über den CO2-neutralsten Weg verschifft werden können. So I'm here with Pierre Garot from Searoutes. Hi Pierre, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
I'm also very good. So Searoutes help shippers to meet their GHG targets by choosing the right transport route for their containers. So how does it work?
So I'm going to start a little bit back, but today shippers, like big companies like IKEA, Nike, Adidas, they're shipping merchandises all around the world. Mm-hmm. And when they're doing this, they're putting them in containers and they're measuring the emissions of that particular container. And today, there is no real tool to allow them to measure this precisely. They have really trouble differentiating if they're going to use a service from one company or another company, which port they're going to go through and so forth. And so what we're doing is we're allowing them to measure this precisely so they can make the right decision.
Okay. How do shippers reduce emissions at all?
That's a good question, by choosing the right way to ship boxes from A to B. Mm-hmm. So maybe instead of shipping boxes on a very large vessel from Shanghai to Rotterdam, mm-hmm. maybe they'd rather do it on smaller vessels, a shorter distance, and then finish by train, for instance. So choosing the right transport mode to go from A to B.
Okay. Maybe we also take a look into the future. What are your next plans?
Yeah, so at Searoutes, we're a small company still. We're established here in Hamburg. We have a team of 2 guys, and in Marseille, in the south of France, we have a team of 6 guys, and we're growing. So today we're offering this CO2 footprint calculator. Mm-hmm. And tomorrow what we'd like to do is find the most optimal route, so the greenest, door to door, so from the point where they're sending merchandise to where they're delivering it.
Okay. Maybe we can also talk a little bit about the Corona situation. How is it and how was it for you as a business?
I think the startups are lucky. So we got super lucky on our end because Searoutes is a remote first company, which means that everybody in the company is set up to work from the local cafe, their house, or here at the hub, mm-hmm. Or in France, in Marseille. So we don't really have a physical office and people work from where they want. So Corona hasn't affected us.
Thank you very much, Pierre.
Let's
keep in touch and
with pleasure.
Yes. See you soon.